Hello, I'm Kaini. I've selected another question from past year paper, A-level past year paper. This is again from the paper 9709. This is paper 3, variant 3, May-June 2015. The question is on calculus again, and this question says that there is a curve with this equation, and then it has got only one stationary point. He wants to find the exact value of the coordinates of this point. Now, first of all, we have to differentiate this because we want a stationary point. We know that dy by dx is equal to 0, so we have to differentiate this. Now, to find dy by dx, you have to remember this is actually dy by dx. You want to find, you need to find dy by dx is y is equal to u over v. In that case, dy by dx is equal to differentiate this, therefore du by dx times v minus dv by dx times u divided by v squared. That is quotient rule. Therefore, now first of all, I have to differentiate this. And we know that if you have e to the power of u, in that case, dy by dx is equal to du by dx times e to the power of u. Therefore, now, to differentiate this, I have to differentiate 2x first. Therefore, this is 2 e to the power of 2x. Therefore, differentiation of this multiplied by this, therefore, times 4 plus 3x. 4 plus e to the power of 3x minus, now differentiate this, derivative of this is 0, this one will be 3 e to the power of 3x times numerator, which is e to the power of 2x, divided by denominator to the power of 2, 4 plus e to the power of 3x squared. These are dy by dx. We know that at the stationary point, dy by dx is 0, so this is 0. Therefore, I can write 0 is equal to. Simplify here, I'm going to get 8 e to the power of 2x. If I multiply this by this, the base is same, the power should be added. Therefore, this is plus 2 e to the power of 5x. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Now, minus these two also, base is same. When you are multiplying, you have to add power. Therefore, 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3 e to the power of 5x. Divided by denominator to the power of 2. Now, this is 0, therefore this should be 0. So this multiplied by this, it will be 0. Now, let's see what we are going to get. This is 8 e to the power of 2x. This will be 2 minus 3 is minus 1 only, e to the power of 5x is equal to 0. Now we can factorize e to the power of 2x. So if you factorize e to the power of 2x, I'm going to get 8 minus e to the power of 3x is equal to 0. Now, we know that e to the power of 2x is always positive, cannot be 0, cannot be negative. Therefore, this cannot be 0. Therefore, this is 0. Therefore, 8 minus e to the power of 3x is 0. Now, if we take this that side, therefore, e to the power of x, 3x is equal to 8. Now, take ln from both sides. Therefore, that means actually 3x is equal to ln 8. Therefore, x will be equal to 1 over 3 ln 8. This 1 over 3 can go power there. Therefore, x will be ln 8 to the power of 1 over 3. Therefore, x is equal to ln 2, because 8 to the power of 1 over 3 is 2. It's third root of 8. Therefore, we got the value of x. equal to ln 2. It wants the exact value, therefore we have to leave it like that. Now, to find y, I have to substitute x here. But just remind you, if you have e to the power of ln, a is actually a. Okay, so I'm using that fact, therefore I just substituted here, therefore y will be equal to e to the power of 2 ln 2 4 plus e to the power of 3 ln 2. We know that in log we can take this 2 and bring it as a power here. This 3 also can be a power here. So the answer will be e to the power of ln 4 plus e to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is 8, therefore ln 8. I told you e to the power of ln 4 is 4, therefore this is 4 divided by 4 and this will be 8. Therefore 4 divided by 12, the answer is 1 over 3. Therefore the point is ln 2 and 1 over 3. So this is the point of, this is a stationary point. If you want me to solve any question for you, put them in the comment section below and I can go through that and then I will solve it for you and put it in our channel. Thank you for watching.